Snoring could be a sign of sleep apnea. 1 in 5 individuals have sleep apnea when they snore. Yes, you heard it right. If you're a snorer, then keep your ears open because snoring can cause high BP, cardiac issues, heart attacks, brain strokes, Alzheimer's issue on a long term, simple memory issue on a short term, digestive issues leading to gastritis, ulcers, eventually leading to gastric cancers, and many more. Because snoring is a symptom of a dangerous disease called obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is not a sign of good sleep. Snoring is not a sign of sound sleep, but it is a sign of sleep apnea which could be fatal. Please be aware of this.